Greetings. In this quick video, we're going to show you how to reset any Hotpoint dishwasher. And Hotpoint is made by GE, and they work with the same principle. All right, so it doesn't matter the age of your Hotpoint. The one surefire way to reset it is just to simply go to your breaker in your maintenance room or wherever it is, and you're just going to turn off the power directly to your dishwasher. You look for the kitchen, and it's usually on the control panel here. You'll see where it'll say kitchen for your dishwasher. You turn off the breaker by just sliding it over. You keep it off for about 10 to 15 minutes, then turn it back on, and you'll see that that will do a full reset of your Hotpoint. And if there's any water running or you had a problem with the water, it'll all drain out, and then you should be reset and ready to go. Now, some Hotpoints, just like this GE, will have a reset option right here. And so what you want to do is, it's going to be locked, and so what you want to do is you're going to hold down this reset option button for 3 seconds, and then release. And then that should reset it. Now, if you got water draining and that's the problem, and it's running or it's halfway through the cycle, same thing, you just hold down the reset option, and that will that should reset it. There's some of them that have a button that says restart or reset or start. And what you want to do is you want to hold down the start button while it's closed for 3 seconds, then unlock it, open it up, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do it again while it's open. The door is open. You want to hit that start reset for 3 seconds. Now, most of your Hotpoints, of course, will have a kick panel like this one down here. Some of them you could just pop open. This particular one has got actually 4 screws, so I'm going to have to unscrew all 4 screws. You'll have to look down here as well. I actually had 2 Phillips screws on the top, and then I had 2 that would actually need a crescent wrench or a socket wrench on the bottom, but I just used like a regular pliers. And it took a little while, but when you take this panel off, it's going to expose a reset button down here. And you want to see right here, there's going to be 2 buttons right there. And the one on the very left says reset, if you can see it. See that right there on the left? And what we're going to do is we're just going to hold that reset button down for 5 seconds and don't let go, and then release. And that will reset your GE and your Hotpoint. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and let me know in the comment section what version or model of the Hotpoint that you have.